I went through a lot of website online, and me and my cousin, we won't be able to find any negative review for your company. So that's why we ended up deciding getting hair transplant from your company. Ratings are really good, and one of my friend from Canada, he had a hair transplant with your company, ClinMedica. His name is Hamza, and so that's why I saw his transplanted area. It was really impressive. So then when I decided to go for a hair transplant with ClinMedica, I had an incredible experience. I was very nervous and anxious prior to my visit, but Mr. Mahmood made everything very comfortable, and he also helped me through to get my visa.
Yeah, that's great.
And from the airport, I also wanted to add in, from the airport, it was really good. They provide us with the facility of a VIP car, and from the airport, they took us to the hotel, and vice versa from hospital to airport, which is really good. Hotel is 5-star. It is very comfortable. I would say, as compared to our previous hotel, much better as compared to other hotel which is located in the same area. The operation process was very good, and I would also add in, I know a lot of hospital in Canada and US, but I would definitely say that this ClinMedica is high standard as compared to both what you can find in Pakistan, or if you go in Canada or US. So far so good according to what we planned, and Mr. Mahmood helped us a lot, went through extra mile to help us and answer all the questions we have. 100%, much I would say, if there is more than 100%, I can rate more than 100%. I had a really good experience.
Great.
I will also definitely post my review after I would say, like after 6 months. I will definitely post a review on your website as well. I will definitely recommend all my friends who is looking to get a hair transplant.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
Thanks. It's going very smooth. We actually don't have to follow anything. The ClinMedica provide us all the instructions, and we follow all those instructions step by step, and it was very smooth and comfortable. From the first, they gave us anesthesia, which is very easy. It's not painful at all. You will feel a little bit pain in the beginning, but you will feel comfortable afterwards. You don't feel anything about it. And afterwards, when they are going to plant your hair back, they will give you 10 minutes for lunch, and then they are going to plant everything hair back in your head. And another thing I wanted to tell you, that I was very tired during all the process, but I would definitely appreciate the effort of the doctors. They were very, I would say, active, and they also answer all the questions during the operation. Yes, so far I'm very satisfied, but since I mentioned earlier, I will definitely post my review again once I will get my hair back. Hope so I will get as soon as possible. After 6 months, I will definitely post a second review. I wish you a good luck, and I definitely hope that you guys will provide these kind of services in future as well. And if I know anyone who is looking to get a hair transplant, I will definitely recommend ClinMedica.